You may have seen a lot of this kind of animation on social media or YouTube. It's really amazing and eye-catching. I was surprised the first time I saw this kind of video. It's called whiteboard animation. Creating this kind of animation is so easy, and the most interesting thing is that it's monetizable. If you can create good quality whiteboard animation with narration, then YouTube will monetize your channel. So, it can be a great source of passive income. If you are feeling excited, without further ado, let's dive in. First, open your browser and search for Mango Animator and then click on the first link. This is Mango Animator. It's a tool hub for animation creators. With Mango AM tools you can create a seamless 2D animation video. With Mango WM you can create high-quality whiteboard animation. With the Mango CM tool, you can create character animation. With the tool, you can create text-based animation. And finally, with the Mango PM tool, you can create an animated presentation. I will make a video of it later. Today, let's go with whiteboard animation. Come to the Product tab and select the Whiteboard Animation Maker. You can purchase the Pro version if you want. In the Pro version, you will get some extra features. Today, I will use the free version. Click on the download button to download for free. Alright, the application has been downloaded. Now install the application on your system like the other apps. After completing the installation process, launch the application. This is the Mango Whiteboard Animation Maker dashboard. Here you will find a vast number of pre-built templates in different categories including education, marketing, human resources, and more. Let's start our journey with a blank page. Click on Create New Empty Project and from here. Now we have to select the aspect ratio. If you want to make a full video, then select 16:9, and if you want a video for shorts then select 9:16. I will select 16:9. This is the creator page, where we will create our animation. Let's have a look at all the tools. First, in the background timeline, you can add a new background or customize the existing background. Then the camera effect. With this tool, we can create effects on text or object, such as handwriting, hand drawing. Then the action tool. With this tool, we can set actions for our objects. At the top of the preview panel, you will find the home and some other tools. These are used to create a new project, configure the project, and publish our project. On the right side is the media bin. Here you will find a vast library of media, including images, shapes, text, decoration, and sound effects. You can upload your own media too. Alright, let's start the whiteboard animation creation journey. First of all, select your story. For example, I will create an explainer video about dinosaurs. I will take the information from Wikipedia and then summarize it with Google Bard. I have already made a detailed video on how you can make a video from Wikipedia. You can watch it after watching this video. I will put the link in the description. Alright, our story is ready. Now I will create a voiceover with this story. You can record your own voice or can generate a voice with AI. I will generate a voiceover with AI. And to do this I will use Jenny by Levo AI. If you are new to Levo AI, create an account with your Google or email account. After creating a new account, create a new project. Select Simple Mode and then click on the Create button. Now copy the script from the doc file and then come back to Jenny AI. Before pasting the script, you can change the voice artist. Listen to all the speakers and then select one of them. After selecting the voice artist, paste the script. Now hit the Generate button. It will take some time to generate the speech. After completing the process, export the audio clip. And yes, you have to buy a premium subscription to export the audio. If you don't want to spend money, you can use a free AI tool to generate your voice. Alright, our voiceover is ready, let's upload it on the Mango WM. After coming to the Mango dashboard, select the Sound tab and then click on Add Local Sound. Now upload the voiceover generated by Jenny. After uploading the voiceover, click on the Trancode now. After transcoding, the voiceover will be added to the timeline. Okay, our voiceover is inserted in the timeline, now it's time to bring life to the story. The first line of our story is Hello friends. I will insert a man. To do this, come to the Image tab and then select Businessman. And then select one man figure. I selected a man because our voiceover is in a male voice. After inserting a man figure in the canvas, adjust the size and the position. It has already the effect of a hand sketch. To customize the effect, select the object in the line and then click on the pencil icon. Here you will find a vast number of effects or actions with hand and without hand. I will use an effect without hand. After selecting the effect, click on Confirm.
Hello, friends.
That's perfect. Now I will insert the line "Hello friends" after just half a second of starting the video. To do this, move the cursor where you insert any object. Okay, now come to the Text tab and then select a text box and enter it into Canvas. Enter your text or sentence. To add or customize the effect, come to the timeline. Select the text block and then click on the pencil icon. This time I will select the hand drawing effect with a hand. Let's see how it looks. I think that's perfect. Now I will insert a dinosaur into the canvas. Come to the Image tab and then search for your desired image. I don't like this dinosaur and I will upload my own image. To do this, click on Add Local Image from here. Now upload your image. After uploading the image, adjust the timeline position if needed. Then adjust the size and position of the canvas. After that, customize the drawing effects. Our first slide is completed. Now before creating the second slide, we have to erase all of the elements or objects from the canvas. And we can do it with erase effects. To do this, first, adjust the object length at the end of the scene and then click on the plus icon from here. You will notice some erase effects here. There are some effects with hand also available, but they are available only for pro users. As I am not a pro user, I will select a free effect. Page turn will be perfect for me. After adding the erase effect, adjust the length. The erase effect is not working in the text layer. To solve this issue, copy the erase effect and paste it into same palace of text layer. Alright, now let's add the second scene. First, add a dinosaur image. You can search for the image. In the Recent tab, you will find the images you used recently. After inserting the image, I will add a text box and add the narration text. After inserting the text, you can customize the text font, size, color, and alignment. After all is set in the second scene, add an erase effect. In this way, you can create a full animation video. Give proper time to editing, then you will be able to create a great whiteboard animation. Okay, when your editing is completed, click on the Publish button from here to export your video. Now select the format. You can export it as video or a GIF file. On the next page, this is the video resolution. In the free version, you are able to export video in 576p. Then the video format. I will keep it MP4. There are some other settings. I won't change them. After all is set, hit the Publish button. It will take some time to render the video. And our video is ready. You can locate the video by clicking here. Okay, let's watch the video.
Hello, friends. Today we will learn about dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were the dominant land animals for over 100 million years. They went extinct about 66 million years ago. Today, birds are the only living dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were...
In this way, you can create amazing whiteboard animation videos to start your YouTube journey. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating a whiteboard animation with Mango WM. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!